Hello friends, hope you are all doing good. In this video, let us look at tips for saving cooking gas in our kitchen. The first tip is we can turn off the gas cylinder knob and keep it closed in the afternoons, nights and whenever not in use. Whether it is a piped gas connection or normal connection, if we do it for every single day, we can notice that our cooking gas lasts for at least one extra day in the month. When we are making dosas, we can switch off the gas stove halfway while making the last dosa. The heat left in the pan will be sufficient to cook the last dosa. We need to follow the same while making chapatis as well. Similarly, when we are making puris, we need to switch off the gas stove before frying the last puri. The heat left in the oil will be sufficient to fry the last puri. We need to follow the same while frying papads as well. While cooking vegetables or sabjis, we need to close the pan with the lid and cook. Generally, we can close and cook for all items except roasted items. This way, the item will get cooked faster, thereby saving gas. When we want to reheat any item, we can keep it in the hot water at the base of idli cooker or pressure cooker we have just used for making idlis or rice and keep the lid closed for few minutes. The item will become very hot and there will be no need to heat it in the gas stove separately. When we want to boil milk kept in the fridge, we can remove it from the fridge and keep it outside for at least 30 minutes before boiling it so that it comes to room temperature, thereby saving gas. Same way, if we want to reheat any item kept in the fridge, we can remove the item from the fridge and keep it outside for an hour before reheating. This will allow the item to come to room temperature and will reduce the amount of gas required to reheat. When we want to fry papads, we can break them into two pieces and fry so that we can use less oil for frying, which will get heated faster, thereby saving gas. When we want to melt frozen ghee, we can melt it by keeping the ghee container on the top of the lid of a cooked vessel which is still hot. Alternatively, we can also keep the ghee container on the gas stove burner which is still hot just after cooking. This way we can melt frozen ghee or coconut oil without using gas. When we want to cook rice or dal, we can soak them for some time before cooking so that it will get cooked faster, thereby saving gas. We can cut the vegetables into smaller pieces and cook. This will help them cook faster, thereby saving gas. We can store the cooked items in hot packs or casseroles, which will help us avoid reheating or reduce the reheating time, thereby saving gas. Friends, I hope these tips were useful to you and you liked the video. Thank you.